Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF security. And in this video, I will show you how to prevent people from copying, printing, or editing your PDF file without any stress or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Then you want to make sure you visit this particular website right here, pdf2go.com. Hit enter, and then it's going to take you to the web page of this PDF2 that work for you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is go ahead and click on All Tools. Under the All Tools right here, go ahead and make sure you look for Secure PDF. Go ahead and make sure you look for PDF. Okay, Protect PDF right here. So go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Protect the PDF. To secure your PDF document from unauthorized access like copying, printing, you should password, protect your file, your PDF file by adding a password and encrypting them just like so. Then you can scroll down here and see step to follow right here. Okay, you can see every step you need to follow right here. First thing first, we have to drag and drop our PDF right here. So click on select file. The next thing you want to do is to locate where you have the PDF file that you want to restrict from copying or printing as the case may be. I'm going to use this particular PDF right here. So selecting the PDF file, click on open. Now the PDF has been uploaded right here. Next, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here. Set a password to open the document. Then retype the password. Then give options right here. So first thing first, I'm going to set a password. Then I will retype the password. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to prevent people from copying and prevent people from editing. Enter password right here. Then retype the password. Then optional setting, rasterize. For more security, select this option to prevent others from editing the document or revealing hidden areas, as all content will be merged into a single non-searchable layer. Go ahead and check on this, then click on start right here. Now successfully done. Next thing we want to do here is to come here and make sure we click on download. Then we go ahead and select our download folder right here, click on save, and you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about PDF security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.